Hello everyone and welcome to our video today where we will be discussing one of the most fascinating topics, the female orgasm. Many people have heard of the term and may have an idea of what it is, but do you know how it actually works? Today, we will be delving into the science behind the female orgasm, how it occurs and some interesting facts that you may not have known before. Explanation of the female orgasm. First, let's start with the basics. What is an orgasm? An orgasm is a physical and emotional sensation that is experienced during sexual arousal and is often described as a feeling of intense pleasure. In women, an orgasm is typically accompanied by contractions of the pelvic floor muscles and can vary in duration and intensity. But how does an orgasm actually occur in women? Well, it all starts with sexual stimulation, which can come in many forms such as physical touch, mental stimulation, or visual cues. When a woman is sexually aroused, blood flow to the genital area increases, causing the clitoris to become erect and sensitive. As stimulation continues, the clitoris and other sensitive areas such as the vagina and nipples become more sensitive, ultimately leading to the buildup of sexual tension. Once this tension reaches a certain point, the body will experience a release of this built-up energy in the form of an orgasm. During an orgasm, the pelvic floor muscles will contract rapidly, leading to the pleasurable sensation that we all know and love. Interesting facts about the female orgasm. Now that we understand how the female orgasm works, let's move on to some interesting facts that you may not have known before. The clitoris is the primary source of female sexual pleasure and stimulation, with approximately 75% of women needing clitoral stimulation to achieve orgasm. The female orgasm can actually occur without any physical stimulation at all, through mental stimulation alone. This is known as a mental orgasm and can be achieved through erotic thoughts or even just meditation. Women have the ability to experience multiple orgasms, meaning they can experience several orgasms in one sexual encounter. However, this ability varies from woman to woman and may not be achievable for everyone. The G-spot, a highly sensitive area located inside the vagina, has long been thought to be a key to achieving female orgasm. However, the existence of the G-spot is still somewhat controversial and many women may not experience orgasm through stimulation of this area alone. Finally, while many people believe that the female orgasm is solely for pleasure, recent research suggests that it may actually have a biological purpose as well. Studies have shown that female orgasm can increase the likelihood of conception by helping to draw semen further into the reproductive tract. And there you have it, the science behind the female orgasm and some interesting facts to go along with it. While we may never fully understand the complexities of human sexuality, it's always fascinating to learn more about how our bodies work. Thanks for watching.